What up, y'all? It's your boy Jay Cruz, aka known as the AUDIOZONE, here with another day, another video, man. Thank you guys always for the support. We actually have an Instagram post that went out there showing how to stop theft on chargers. We're actually working on a Challenger today, something that's very important, guys, because in reality, I know you guys are sick and tired of always opening up social media and seeing this guy's car's gone, this guy's car's gone, this car got stolen at the mall, this guy got with his family, he got stolen. It's getting tiring, man. So we're coming up with a lot of ideas to help prevent theft. I'm gonna show you one of a beautiful 2022, because 2019 is, what year is this one, Josh? A 19 or 20? It's a 19 Dodge Challenger. Oh yeah, she's a 19, but she's also a red eye. So this is what you guys need to understand. Paid a lot of money to have this car. He worked, he saved, took care of his credit, and did what he had to do to buy this car. If he paid for a cash, then amen. But no matter what, it was a big sacrifice. And to have this car go out and be stolen, it hurts. We're starting today here on this build. We're actually installing, in fact, let me walk you through this. So I got Josh, he took it apart, but I'm gonna put it back together again because I'm gonna show you guys what happens on these cars. So let's just say that this car parked in a parking lot and Josh was a car thief, right? So let's just say it was a car thief. Josh comes into the car, he breaks the glass, quarter glass, opens the door, another guy's in the front of the hood, and I'll show you how that works out. He comes in, he pops it. Show how you get into this whole thing, Josh, how somebody would do it. I mean, I know that people criticize these videos, but I wanna show you what they do. But this is what the car looks like.
Multiple ways. With these ones and the Challengers, I can literally just grab it and yank up and pull it out. And if I'm not worried about breaking clips, I can do it quick.
Okay.
With a charger, and take my pocket knife, bam, 10 seconds, I'm back to where
and then what is it that you do? What are you looking for? Because they pop this open here.
This is the other way to get into it.
They get into that, and this red strap, what allows you to do is that they put this out, right?
It's not bolted down right now.
And then I can put this car, pull this up, and then put the car in neutral. That's one thing. The other thing that they do, hit the horn, Josh. Okay, cause y'all see that? I'm gonna show you something else that they do. Josh, pop the hood. So let's just say that we're in a scenario we're stealing this car. So we're here together stealing this car. They're gonna break the quarter glass. They're gonna pop this door open. They're gonna come inside, start getting the neutral safety switch on. They normally disconnect the mirrors for the OnStar and the GPS and the XM radio. But while he's doing that, another guy's coming over here. Pretty simple. You can stay right there, Josh. I'll show him here. They're gonna pop the hood open, and as soon as they get into this car, they're gonna hit the horn. Now look, I removed it. And now you have no more horn. So now if this car was parked in a park, you have the noises of the alarm system going out. Let me plug this back in again. Boom, boom, boom. Hit the horn again, Jay. So just like that, this car was able to get silenced out, which means it's quiet, and they were able to get inside, put the car neutral, and now they're gonna push the car out and get it towed or pushed or whatever they're gonna do to steal the vehicle. So to help on that, we're definitely doing a security one step on that, which is the neutral lockout, in the process of getting it done. All in a CompuStar. So you saw you just turn on that car, and I'm gonna show you how that's not gonna work in a minute. But we're installing a CompuStar 2W9Q900AS. It's a full security system remote start, 3,000 feet range on the regular remote control, which is this one right here. We're doing the drone. We're also doing the tilt sensor. We're doing the battery relays, and we're also adding on this one, on the drone itself, we're gonna have GPS tilt sensor, shock sensor, glass break sensor, all included. Once this gets installed, which you're going to work on, so what we do here is he's getting all the wires situated for where it has to go installed. He blacks it all out so you don't just see no wires. It ends up being very clean when he's done with that build. But once it gets installed to this car will be fully secured. Whenever he leaves the vehicle and he hit lock, the vehicle obviously gonna lock the doors, turn on the factory alarm, gonna turn on the CompuStar alarm. If this car is hit, he's gonna know. If they break a glass, he's gonna know. If they open a door, he's gonna know. If they try to start it, he's gonna know. If they try to tow the car, he's gonna know. If they towed the car, they moved the car, he's gonna be able to GPS track this vehicle live on time, like not no delayed, it's really on time. And when I get done with this, I'll show you exactly what I mean. But you can literally hit this car and within 2 seconds your phone's going off. That means you have unlimited range for your security. If you're inside of a mall, if you're inside of a shopping center, if you're inside Walmart this Christmas season, if you are anywhere doing anything with your car and your car gets broken into any kind of way, you will be able to go instantly. Your phone's gonna go off. You'll be able to track the car, give the police the information. If you look on my Instagram page, which is _AudioCat, you're about to see a video we posted of a car stolen in Houston, and that vehicle was recovered thanks to the drone GPS. So I'm just telling you guys what's going on. It's very, very important to be able to protect your investment. Gordo's gonna start tagging this install in. I'll show you guys when it's done what the wiring looks like, how clean it is. Gordo's an ace installer. He's gonna get this one installed ace, and then I'm gonna show you how the CompuStar works with killing the ignition, killing the starters, and the full build in the car. So stay tuned. Cruise crew, so the finale of this beautiful build, man, for this young man here, man. Tell everybody what's your name for the camera.
Vito Ochoa.
Vito Ochoa. Tell everybody what you do, man, because they might need it.
Oh, I do roofing. I do commercial roofing. If you ever need any commercial roofing done in DFW or anywhere in the United States, just give us a shout.
What's your phone number?
214-440-9287.
How long you been on this Mopar?
About 2 months.
2 months. And how you loving it so far?
Badass car.
I know you do. I love them too, man.
Badass
But let me walk them through security, because one thing that we do have is thoughts about having these cars stolen, right? That's one of the #1 things that we have problem with in these cars. So I'm kind of going to walk them through on this beautiful car. So let me start with this. This is your new key fobs. You have all this is your new drone. And that's your backup. Because this is your backup control. This is your main. So when you hit on the side here, you're going to show you the lights flashing and the door's locked. That means the car is now locked. As you see it right there, locked. When you hit unlock, she's going to give you the thing and tell you that the car is now unlocked. When you can remote start it, you press and hold this button here for a second. It'll beep, and then the car will go to the thing and it'll tell you that it's remote starting there right now. And boom. Now the car's turned on, everything's running. She's going to run for 15 minutes. You could actually come through here and change a lot of the settings, how long you want it to run for. With this function button, you'll be able to change all the settings that you want to do, how long it runs for, all that kind of stuff, right? So let's go ahead and do something else here.
That's pretty, man. I like that F8. That's pretty.
Okay, so now let's do this here. So now I'm gonna actually drop the window for you. I'll drop the window because we're gonna do a test about something, because one of the most important things is killing this car from being stolen. So let me drop the windows on him. All right, so look, right now I got the keys in my hand. I can turn on the vehicle. Now I'm gonna do something a little bit different. I'm gonna give you the keys of the car, but we're gonna set off the alarm and make sure that she's off. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit the drone, hit the lock. Now the vehicle is locked, okay? Well, now that the vehicle's locked, you got the keys of the car. I'm gonna have you go inside, so I'm just gonna man your door, make the alarm go off, get inside and turn on your car. Hold on, wait a minute. I didn't hit the disarm, hold on. Come here, pasa por aquí. So let me, my bad, let's lock it. All right, so now the car's armed. No, give it a second. Whenever you arm the vehicle, security systems take about 45 seconds for it to arm, because they check for, all the little clinking stuff in the exhaust. But one of the signs that you know that it's dead is that the light's not on the key. You see the key light is off right now. So now I'm gonna come here. I'm gonna come inside. We just broke into this car. Let's grab my handle that. Oh no! Go turn on the car. The car's not starting. Okay, now hit unlock on the, so now your drone mobile on your phone. Show me your phone there. Your phone is telling you right now that you will have, you come here to notifications, it's telling you that your alarm just went off. So right now we're gonna come here from the drone, we're gonna hit this lock. So right from the phone, you'll be able to dislock it, you can unlock it. Now send everything to the air. And now you got this here, also going off, telling you what's going on. So the second button here shuts off the remote control one time. This on. There we go. So I'm confused with the buttons, because the top one is not the lock. The bottom one is locked and this is unlocked. Now turn on your car. So now you got full access to your car again. Make sense? So then now let me walk him through a couple things. Now he's gonna come here to maps. He can actually see where his car is. He's parked right in front of AUDIOZONE, right in front of where your car is located. That tells you exactly where your car is at. And then from here, it actually tells you all the static of your vehicle, what your voltages is, your engine is on, your system is disarmed, your door is open. So you have all the access of everything going on in your car right from your remote. So you don't ever have to ask yourself if the door's closed, the trunk closed, hood, you know exactly what's going on right from that unit. What you got to say about that, Ocho? You feel a little more secure now?
Yeah, park it anywhere I want.
And now you also have the thing in the middle that we talked about too, so that could have secured them from doing that. So what you got to say, puppy?
Hit up HELLCAT.
Man, I appreciate that dearly, man. It's been a pleasure. We're gonna be doing more on this car here too, man, because he's gonna be getting a little package done on this car. Y'all watch exactly what I'm talking about, but it is a beautiful car as it is. The color is very rare. The stripes in the car is very rare. The car is very unique, but now it's up to him to put his touches to it, so be good.